Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is an aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, and reduces dandruff as well. It's a really great healing plant. We're also going to need some shampoo, of course, and conditioner. I'm using Tresemme. I really love Tresemme's products. So yeah, that's the shampoo and conditioner we're going to use today. And then we are going to try out this conditioner, this leave-in conditioner made by Suave. It's new to me, and I was like, let's give it a go. And then we're going to need some extra virgin olive oil to seal in that moisture that we get from the aloe vera leaf. And then, of course, a knife to chop up the plant. So the first thing we're going to do is cut off the end of the plant, and then we are going to cut it in 3-inch pieces, I would say. I think it's about 3 inches. And then I cut about 3 pieces. That's what I felt like I was going to need for my hair, and I actually did use them all. So yeah, we're going to cut those pieces, and then we're going to cut them in half so that we can get access to the aloe vera that's inside the leaf. As you can see, it is really slippery and really slimy, but it does not have a smell, so it's not anything gross. You'll be perfectly fine. But I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you're looking at this like, ooh, that looks nasty. It doesn't smell or anything crazy. Comb here, and I'm just gonna do this in sections. Oh my god, my hair is so nappy. You can like hear it crunching. Okay. No, you tired of that nigga. He can't do nothing for you, you know it. He always wonder why you tripping. I wonder you wrong, you know. Take our aloe vera. Just gonna rub it on the hair. Yeah, Gucci bag. Had them all mad. With your Gucci bag. Yeah, them all mad. Got your Gucci bag. You been working 9 to 5. You can't handle that. Yeah, that nigga still complaining, always on your back. Don't care what that nigga think, he ain't your fucking dad. And no matter what he tell you, baby, keep your head. Okay, and then I am just going to part sections. So. So this is really easy. All I'm doing is taking the aloe vera plant and rubbing it on my scalp, and then I'm going to rub it on the ends of my hair as well, and on the hair shaft, because I do want to treat the scalp, but I also want to moisturize and condition the ends as well. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm just going to repeat this throughout each section of my hair. I like to work in sections, so I'm going to do it in each section. I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections, and you're not going to see all of that because we're going to just get past all of this because it's not necessary. It's very repetitive, but it's really, really easy, you guys. And some of the clumps of the aloe vera does get in your hair, but it's not that big of a deal. You will just wash it out at the end. And then 2, you are going to need to puncture the aloe vera leaf to get it right back juicy and reactivated so that you can really stretch the aloe vera as far as possible. Then here I'm just massaging the aloe vera into the scalp. Okay, so after I am done adding the aloe vera to my roots of my hair and then to the hair shaft, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my extra virgin olive oil onto my hair, really focusing on my ends to avoid breakage. And I'm just smoothing it on there. And then I'm just gonna split it like this, very gently. I'm gonna pin that up, and then I'm gonna add some oil to this part of my hair. And then I'm just gonna twist this. And I'm just gonna repeat these exact same steps all throughout my head. So I am gonna show you guys one more time, but I'm gonna show you up at the front so you can see it better. So we're gonna speed past this. So as you can see here, I'm just repeating the exact same steps over, parting this section, putting the aloe vera plant around the perimeter of my hair, and then parting between those sections and making sure I get the aloe vera plant all throughout my scalp and down the shaft of my hair, and then again applying the oil, separating it, applying oil to another section, twisting it, getting it out the way, and doing the same thing to the other piece. So it's really just super duper repetitive, doing the same thing over and over. That's all I'm doing. It's easy. Okay, so I'm done with applying the aloe vera leaf and the oil to my hair and to my scalp. You may see some aloe vera clumps from the leaf inside my hair. It's okay, it's fine. I'll wash it out. It's not that big of a deal. You know, it's not gonna kill you. I'll be back. What's up, you guys? So it's the next day. I went ahead and decided to let my hair stay aloe vera treatment overnight and do the pre-poo overnight. So that's what I decided to do. Is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and do my shampoo and my conditioning this morning, and we're gonna get this party cracking. I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn this into a deep conditioner, because that's what I am gonna do, is a deep conditioner on my hair. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. It's just a few simple, easy steps. All right, so you're just gonna get a bowl, take a nice amount of your conditioner, put it into the bowl, take 1 spoonful of coconut oil, and then I think I did like 1/4 cup of olive oil, maybe even less than that, but I don't measure. So, and then you're just gonna stir that around until it reaches like a little creamy, thick consistency, and that's what we're gonna use to apply in our hair to make it a deep condition. It's so super duper duper easy, but I'll leave the link above to the video where I show you how to do this as well. Okay, so I really like to rinse my hair for quite some time. It takes a minute for my hair shafts to open up and absorb anything I'm putting into it. So I like to rinse my hair for at least 5 minutes. Obviously, for time reasons, we're not going to do that right now, but I'm just going to rinse this section really good, and then I am going to go ahead and start shampooing my hair. The way that I shampoo is I shampoo the roots of my hair and really cleanse my scalp, because if you don't have a clean scalp, you can't get proper hair growth. So I cleanse my scalp really good, and then I just let the soap trickle down to the rest of my hair, and then rinse it out. So I'm not like completely stripping my hair. And that's the whole purpose of this whole process of pre-pooing, is so that your hair still has the moisture that it needs after you shampoo your hair. Okay, so we're going to get a nice size amount of the conditioner, and then we're going to apply it to the hair shaft, kind of finger detangling and making sure that your hair is completely coated and covered. And then I'm just going to separate the sections and then twist them up and get them out the way, and move on to the next section. And of course, this is very, very repetitive. We're just gonna repeat this step on the front of our hair. And now what I'm going to do is just put a plastic bag over my head. I'm gonna take a towel, I'm gonna wet it, throw it in the microwave because I don't have like a heat cap. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave for a couple minutes, let it get really steamy hot, and then I'm gonna put it over my plastic bag and I'm gonna let that sit on there for a few hours before I rinse my hair, and that's how I deep condition my hair. I found this Suave Leave and I thought, let's try it. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it does on the hair, and if I like it, I wanna try the whole line and review it for you guys so you can see, because I think to get the whole line is like 20 bucks, and that's so inexpensive when it comes to hair care products for our natural hair, because everybody has caught wind of this natural hair care journey and they are hiking those prices up. Boom, we're gonna try this out. I'm not gonna talk you guys to death. I'll be back and we're gonna try this. Peace. I did, and now we're gonna go ahead, and my hair feels really soft. It is really easy for me to part my hair, and it's just super duper soft. Like, I wish you could feel it right now because it feels so good. This product is kind of watery a little bit. It was kind of slippery, slipping all over. But it says Suave Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil, which would explain the real slipperiness of it. It says nourish and strengthen leave-in conditioner, deep treatment for nourished curls. It says no parabens, no dyes, no moisture rich color, safe for natural hair. Natural hair approved. Boop, got the stamp on there. Let's see if my hair likes this. Ooh, it smells really good. And it has a really nice slip to it, so that's good. I'll use a little bit more. Look at that. Hey, okay. Go ahead and define a couple curls then, Suave. I have this oil that I really like. It's Island Oil. The reason why I purchased it is because it does have a ton of the oils that I already put in my hair, which is jojoba oil, castor oil, mineral oil. It even has black seed oil in it. So I do like this oil a lot. So I just put this oil on, and to seal in that moisture, and I go through and apply it to my scalp, and then I just rub it in. And as you can see, my curls are already starting to kind of plump up a little bit, which means they are taking in this moisture from Suave's leave-in. And then I'm just doing a wash and go today. Got my Eco Styling Gel, which is gonna define my curls. Take each section and I just kind of go like this, separate them to the way they want to separate naturally, and then my curls start to define themselves, and that's what they look like. You can see, and excuse my son, I know y'all can hear him, but you can see my hair really is absorbing that product. It's not just sitting on top. You can see it's a little bit white, but for the most part, my hair has pretty much absorbed the product really well, which means I am seeming to like this Suave leave-in. So I'm sorry, you guys, about the noise. My kids are home from school, but so yeah, I like it. I'm just gonna finish my wash and go throughout my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys how my hair turned out. Yes? Can I open the door? You can open it. So how's it going?
Good.
So no, how to ask them how's it going. Say, how are you guys? Tell them your name.
Banana.
Savannah. Banana. Santa banana. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my hair and then I'll be back. Hey, you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. My hair is super duper duper moisturized. I mean, seriously, it really feels so good. It feels so soft. And even with, my hair is not dry yet. As you can see, I still have product on it. But yes, it is really, 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 really soft, really nice. My hair is really moisturized. It feels really good. I did not expect this video to be the triple threat that it turned into. Just went out on a whim and I bought it. And I'm so freaking glad that I did. This is not even a review on this product, but I am so satisfied with what it has done to my hair and how it has moisturized my hair. And it even kind of elongated my curls a little bit, so they're not as shrunken as they are usually. And I really appreciate that, because I be trying to show off my length, but I can't because shrinkage be coming for me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm so impressed with the pre-poo. I am no longer washing my hair without pre-pooing it first from here on out, because I really, really, really feel like it gave my hair a really nice boost. It didn't, it made my hair feel really soft. My hair didn't suffer when I shampooed it. It wasn't feeling like brittle and like I had to add conditioner to it for it to gain its moisture back. Like literally, my hair felt so good after I washed it. It felt even better after I did that deep condition on it. And I'm telling you, I will no longer do a shampoo on my hair without pre-pooing it first. But that's it, you guys. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me and always tuning in to my YouTube videos and everything like that. I know it's been a minute, but I promise you, your girl is back with a vengeance, and I will be giving you guys a lot more videos. I took a hiatus. I need to get healthy and take care of myself. And now that I am feeling so much better, I will definitely have more videos. I definitely want to share with you guys my family and let you guys see them more often on these videos as well. So we will be switching it up a little bit when I get back in full circle. But that's it. I will not hold you. Aloe Vera Prepoo, do that, try it out. Let me know how it worked on your hair. If you choose to go and get this Suave leave-in conditioner, I certainly recommend that you try it out. If you have hair like mine, I suggest you give it a shot. I'm out of here. Peace, love, and hair grease, and all that. Bye.